Is this thing on? This is Johnson here at Section 7, waiting on a Ancient Allens. We're here on a special mission, which I do not got the details for, but I'm hoping he's going to tell us what we need to do. A man's just showed up and he's coming right over this way.
I'm Special Agent Allen. Who are you?
I am Johnson. I'm filming this operation for headquarters.
Okay. Our mission is to recover some stolen intel. Our enemy is around here somewhere. Let's go get him. So, I'm assuming you have a gun, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I don't see this man anywhere.
I see him. He's on his phone. Freeze! What the freeze? Shoot him, scan. Hold on, he's off.
What did he drop?
It's his phone. It probably has intel on it.
All right.
He's over there. Go to cover, I'll cover you. Go get it. He's unarmed. He's moving. Hold on. He's got another gun. Get cover.
He's on the run again. Come on. We gotta go, but we gotta go slow.
Careful. Could be another trap. Slow. Down. Firing. Is it a truck? Get cover.
Shoot out the tires. We hit him. Let's go.
He's going. Forget about him. Go for the safe. Go for the intel.
The safe.
Get the safe up.
Here.
Come on, let's get to the car. Move.
He's somewhere in the woods. We gotta watch out.
Might be another ammo.
He's firing at us. Let's go.
Go, 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 go.
Shoot, he's right behind us.
Get behind me. Get cover.
He's moving up. Hurry. I am. He's right on top of us.
In the back seat.
Just go, go, go.
In the back seat.
He's right in front. Come on, we gotta go, go. Yes, we're free. We got out.
Oh, dude, you know we just need to get to the. We just gotta get the infiltrators now.
All right, let's go.